They were in this paddock all day yesterday, and they really enjoyed it. They love this long grass, and they also will push this down and eat the seeds off of it, and they have some shelter, and they just really enjoyed this one yesterday. You could really tell they enjoyed the spot.
Looks pretty neat this morning. It looks like they're in a cornfield, but it's just Johnson grass.
Yep. The stuff's, you can tell how tall it is. I'm 5 feet tall, and this is like at least 6 feet tall. And so now we're gonna move them. And we just use this fence, this electric fencing here, and it works perfectly for them. We just pick it up and move it every time, and we just bring them their water in the buckets and have the charger out here, and we're able to get them to eat wherever they want.
It's like Betty wants to be part of your video here.
Come here, Betty. She's wondering what the other girls are up to.
Maybe they found some new grass, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go check this out.
So let's go. It's pretty easy. It's become very easy as time goes on for them to know what to do. They follow a routine, and it works pretty good. So they already have a good idea that they're going to be moved because we set up this other paddock. And then I just like to pick up one of these, and then they go in, ideally. Come on, babies. And there they go. There's lots of stuff in here for them to eat. They'll probably be good in here for the rest of the day. And depending on, we'll come out and check on them and see how much they're eating and how much they ate. And we may move them this evening, or we'll just move them again tomorrow morning. But they got lots in here.
Nice cool day. They got some fog. It looks kind of cool and creepy. Looks like fall for sure, especially with this orange grass.
Looks like corn.
Yep. Yep, then we just close up this end of the fence and bring the electric charger over and plug it in and bring their water and minerals over, and we're pretty much set.
Sometimes you have to do a little adjusting.
Yep, we just grab, if you need a little bit of slack, you can just grab the corner. First thing the sheep do when they get in here, of course, is they find their favorite forage and just go to town. Pretty neat day.